Hello everybody, welcome to the Roaming Bear. Hope everybody's having a good day, and today's a good day too, I think. If you guys watched one of my last Tinker Thursdays, you would have saw I did a bunch of work to the Pathfinder, including valve cover gaskets and a bunch of knock sensor stuff and other sensors getting replaced and throwing codes and whatever. So we got all that fixed up. Haven't ran into any issues so far. It's been, about a month and a half. I've been driving Patty to and from work pretty frequently, and I haven't been having any issues with my knock sensor relocation setup, so I wanted to do a little video of basically just explaining that knock sensor relocation. And yeah, I just thought I'd put this out on the internet because I haven't really seen one for a 3.5. I've seen a relocation video for a 3.3, and that's where I got the idea. But I'm just going to put this video out there, save you guys potentially $1,000, because if you were to take this to a shop and do it, it would cost you about that much money. And this is like a 15-20 minute fix, really. So yeah, we'll get into the video here, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I did and what I came up with. Some of this is going to be recycled video from my last Tinker Thursday, so yeah. You've probably seen this before, but if you haven't and you're here to get your knock sensor relocated so you can get your Pathfinder up and running again, then this is the video for you. Yeah, what I've done is I took a junkyard wire harness and I basically made a little wire harness and I relocated my knock sensor to the front of the head. Here's how I did it. Okay. Alright, so I'm super stoked I got a spare motor. If I were to do it and I were you guys, I would be thinking it's worth it to go to a junkyard and pick up this harness. It's the injector harness. It's under the intake, but you know, a 10 mil and a 12 mil is all you need to get to this. Honestly, especially if you're at a junkyard, you don't have to give a shit about what you're doing. So you just rip everything out of the way. It's all 12 mil, 10 mils, and cut the hoses and get this. And then you can make yourself a nice pigtail, because I got the knock sensor side. And I got the, what do you want to call that? I guess the top side that goes into the actual chassis harness. So I'm going to make a harness out of this plug and this plug. And it's basically going to go from here to here. Nice and easy. Alright, let's start cutting this harness apart and seeing what we got to work with. Maybe I can just take this whole harness out and I don't have to do any splicing or anything. And then it's like basically factory wiring. These do have like a coax coating, so probably on its own along this other harness, hopefully. I can you guys hear the wind out there? It's getting crazy. The rest of this harness is garbage. Down this harness. Alright, that's all garbage. This is all garbage. And this is the ticket item. So as you can see, I got that out. I don't even have to splice or cut or do anything. I'm literally just going to plug that in, one end to the other. And we'll see if my knock sensor code's gone. Easy peasy. Alright, so first thing I had to do was try to find a 10 mil bolt that was the same length as this one that came out of the knock sensor. So I just went and dug around in my my drawer of treasures, and I found a 10 mil that's basically the exact same length. Super sweet. That's why you keep all your bolts. You never know. You just never know when you might get one or when you might need one. Nice if I can get my hand in here, but I can't. Do what I know best is struggle. Alright, so knock sensor relocation is complete. This is what I came up with. So we got the knock sensor, sorry, hard to see, but we got the knock sensor just utilizing some threaded bit that was on the front of the head here. That's going into the knock sensor, and I salvaged that harness. I just doubled it up and tucked it in here nice. And yeah, I didn't have to touch my factory harness. And yeah, it all plugs in nice and neat. And I'm pleased to say it starts and my code's gone. I have no idea why that code showed up. I guess somehow either the harness got damaged during the install of the new valve covers, or just by chance something got knocked and took out the knock sensor. I have no idea, but it's running now. Alright everybody, I hope you liked the video. Like and share. Subscribe if you're not. I really need subscribers. I'm getting close to 1,000, and that's my goal. I'm actually pretty stoked that I have 900 subscribers. I don't even know 25 people, never mind 100 or 900, so it's all good for me. And yeah, I'm stoked. Probably won't do too many of these informational videos because I don't think I'm like a professional or anything, but this is just here to help you guys save a little bit of money and keep your R50 on the road. Remember, don't be discouraged. They're easy to work on. You just gotta get in there and pull off some bolts. Easy. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.